Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep your legs strong and steady, even at 94 years old? As we get older, maintaining leg strength isn't just about mobility, it's about independence, confidence, and living life on your terms. Yet many older adults notice their legs getting weaker, making simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing for long periods more difficult. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to strengthen your legs and keep them powerful well into your golden years? In this video, we're diving into 6 essential vitamins that can help older adults maintain strong, resilient legs. These nutrients do more than just support muscle function. They improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall mobility. If you've ever felt your legs getting tired too quickly or worried about losing strength as you age, you'll want to stay with me until the end. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly which vitamins can help you stay strong, steady, and full of life. More importantly, you'll discover how a simple daily habit, just 1 tablespoon a day, can make all the difference in maintaining healthy, powerful legs for years to come. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss the last vitamin on this list. It's the one that most people overlook, yet it can make a dramatic impact on your overall leg strength and endurance. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you enjoy this video, please type 1 in the comments. If you don't like it, type 0 in the comments to let me know, so I can make better videos for you. Now let's get started. Number 1, the power of vitamin D. One of the most crucial vitamins for maintaining strong legs as you age is vitamin D. This powerhouse nutrient plays a key role in calcium absorption, bone health, and muscle function. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can weaken, your bones can become fragile, and even simple movements, like standing up from a chair, can start to feel more challenging. Many older adults assume that weak legs are just a natural part of aging, but that's not entirely true. Sometimes it's simply a sign that your body isn't getting enough vitamin D to keep your muscles and bones strong. In fact, research has shown that low vitamin D levels are directly linked to an increased risk of falls and fractures in older adults. If you've ever felt unsteady on your feet or noticed your legs tiring out faster than they used to, this could be a sign that your body is craving more of this essential nutrient. One way to tell if you might be low on vitamin D is to pay attention to how your legs feel at the end of the day. Do they ache? Feel weak? Do you experience unexpected muscle cramps? Even when you're just sitting and relaxing? These subtle signs can indicate that your body isn't getting enough of this crucial vitamin. Now, you might be wondering, how do you make sure you're getting enough vitamin D? One of the best sources is sunlight. Spending just 15 to 20 minutes a day in the sun can help your body naturally produce this vital nutrient. But as we get older, our skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight, which is why many seniors need an extra boost from their diet. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and eggs are great food sources of vitamin D. But here's where that 1 tablespoon a day habit comes in: cod liver oil. Just 1 tablespoon provides an incredible dose of vitamin D, giving your muscles and bones exactly what they need to stay strong. It's a simple habit that can make a huge difference in keeping your legs steady, firm, and powerful for years to come. And here's something interesting: many older adults who start increasing their vitamin D intake report feeling more energetic, more stable on their feet, and even noticing a reduction in those nagging nighttime leg cramps. It's proof that a small change can lead to big results. Number 2, the muscle-saving power of vitamin B12. If you've ever felt your legs getting weaker, more tired, or even tingly for no clear reason, you might be missing out on one of the most important vitamins for muscle health: vitamin B12. This powerhouse nutrient plays a crucial role in nerve function, red blood cell production, and oxygen transport, all of which directly affect your leg's strength and endurance. When your body doesn't get enough B12, your legs may start to feel heavy, uncoordinated, or even numb. Many older adults don't realize that B12 deficiency is incredibly common. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing this vital vitamin from food. That's why, even if you're eating a balanced diet, you could still be falling short. And when your B12 levels are low, your muscles don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong, which can lead to fatigue, instability, and even difficulty walking. Have you ever noticed that some days your legs feel fine, but on other days they feel weak and shaky for no apparent reason? That's one of the telltale signs of a B12 deficiency. This vitamin plays a major role in keeping your nervous system healthy, and without it, The communication between your brain and your muscles starts to break down. That's why some people experience that frustrating pins and needle sensation in their legs. It's a warning sign that their nerves aren't functioning as they should. So what's the best way to get more B12? The richest natural sources are found in animal products like beef, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. But here's where that simple tablespoon-a-day habit can come in: nutritional yeast. This powerhouse ingredient is packed with B12 and is easy to add to your daily routine. Sprinkle it on your food, mix it into soups, or blend it into a smoothie, and your legs will thank you. One of the most amazing things about getting enough B12 is how quickly it can make a difference. Many older adults who start increasing their intake notice more energy, better balance, and even a renewed sense of strength in their legs. Some even say they feel like they've gotten a decade of mobility back, just by correcting a simple deficiency. If you've ever felt your legs giving out on you, or wondered why they don't have the same endurance they used to, this could be the missing piece. And if you're still watching and finding this information useful, type 2 in the comments, so I know you're here with me. Number 3, the joint strengthening power of vitamin C. If you've ever woken up feeling stiff, noticed your knees aching when you walk, or struggled with slow muscle recovery after activity, your body might be craving more vitamin C. While most people think of vitamin C as just an immune booster, it's actually one of the most important vitamins for keeping your legs strong, your joints flexible, and your muscles resilient. One of vitamin C's biggest jobs in the body is producing collagen, a protein that helps keep your tendons, ligaments, and cartilage strong. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, which can lead to weaker joints, stiffer movements, and even an increased risk of injuries. If your legs have been feeling sore, achy, or less stable than they used to be, low vitamin C levels might be part of the reason. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is one of the biggest culprits behind joint pain and muscle weakness. And without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to repair itself after physical activity. That's why some older adults find that their legs take longer to recover. After walking or exercising, it's not just aging, it's often a sign that their body needs more of this essential nutrient. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough vitamin C every day? Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are great sources, as are bell peppers, strawberries, and kiwi. But if you want an easy way to get a concentrated dose, that's where our simple tablespoon-a-day habit comes in: acerola cherry powder. Just 1 tablespoon of this natural superfood contains an incredible amount of vitamin C, far more than you'd get from an orange, and it's easy to mix into water or a smoothie. Many older adults who increase their vitamin C intake report feeling less stiffness in their legs, more flexibility in their knees, and even a noticeable improvement in their endurance. Some have even said that they wake up feeling more refreshed with legs that don't feel as tired or sluggish. That's the power of giving your body what it needs to repair and strengthen itself naturally. If you've ever struggled with knee pain, slow muscle recovery, or just want to keep your legs feeling youthful and strong, vitamin C is an absolute must. Number 4, the bone-stabilizing power of vitamin K2. If you want strong legs that can carry you confidently for years to come, you need to take care of your bones just as much as your muscles. That's where vitamin K2 comes in. This often overlooked nutrient plays a crucial role in directing calcium to the right places in your body, your bones, and teeth, while keeping it away from the wrong places, like your arteries and joints. Many people assume that calcium alone is enough to build strong bones. But without vitamin K2, that calcium may not reach where it's needed most. Instead, it can accumulate in soft tissues, leading to stiffness, poor circulation, and even an increased risk of fractures. That's why older adults who don't get enough K2 may find themselves dealing with unexpected leg pain, brittle bones, or even a hunched posture over time. Have you ever noticed someone whose legs seem to have lost their strength and stability, even though they're getting enough calcium? That's often because the body isn't utilizing that calcium correctly. Without K2, the calcium can settle into places where it doesn't belong, making the joints feel stiff and increasing the risk of falls. So how can you ensure your body is getting enough of this essential vitamin? Fermented foods like natto, sauerkraut, and certain cheeses contain high amounts of K2. But here's an even easier way to get it: grass-fed butter or ghee. Just 1 tablespoon a day can give you a steady supply of vitamin K2, helping to keep your bones strong and your legs stable. Older adults who increase their K2 intake often report feeling a newfound lightness in their legs, as if moving has become easier and more natural. Many even say they experience fewer aches and stiffness, especially in the knees and lower back. It's incredible how something so simple can make such a big difference. If you've ever worried about your bone health or experienced sudden leg weakness, adding more K2 to your diet could be the missing link. And if you're still here with me, type 4 in the comments to let me know you're finding this valuable. Now stay with me, because the next vitamin on this list isn't just about strength, it's about keeping your legs energized and full of life every single day. Number 5, the energy-boosting power of magnesium. If your legs ever feel heavy, fatigued, or prone to cramping, your body might be calling out for more magnesium. This essential mineral plays a critical role in muscle function, nerve health, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, your legs can feel tired even after minimal activity, and you might experience frequent muscle cramps, restless legs at night, or even a feeling of weakness that comes and goes without explanation. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral because it helps muscles contract and release properly. When levels are low, the muscles in your legs can become tense and prone to spasms. Have you ever felt a sudden Charlie horse in the middle of the night or tightness in your calves after walking a short distance? That could be your body signaling a magnesium deficiency. But magnesium does more than just prevent cramps. It helps regulate circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles efficiently. Poor circulation can lead to a feeling of sluggishness, making even simple movements like standing up or climbing stairs feel more difficult than they should. That's why older adults who don't get enough magnesium often complain about their legs feeling weak or unresponsive. So how can you ensure you're getting enough magnesium? Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are great sources, but if you want a simple, concentrated boost, this is where that 1 tablespoon a day habit comes into play: pumpkin seeds. Just 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds provides a powerful dose of magnesium, helping to relax muscles, improve circulation, and keep your legs feeling light and energized. Many older adults who start increasing their magnesium intake notice an immediate difference. They experience fewer nighttime leg cramps, feel more stable on their feet, and even find that their overall energy levels improve throughout the day. Some say they no longer wake up with stiff, sore legs, and instead, they feel ready to move without hesitation. If you've ever struggled with unexplained leg fatigue, cramps, or that frustrating sense of sluggishness, magnesium could be the missing piece. Number 6, the circulation-boosting power of vitamin E. If you've ever felt like your legs get tired too quickly, feel cold more often, or even look slightly swollen after sitting for a long time, poor circulation might be the issue. And one of the best vitamins for improving circulation and keeping your legs feeling strong and energized is vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a natural blood thinner, helping to improve blood flow throughout your body, including your legs. When circulation is poor, your muscles don't get enough oxygen and nutrients, which can leave your legs feeling weak, achy, or heavy. You might notice that after a short walk, your legs feel sore much faster than they used to, or you may even experience tingling or numbness. These are all signs that your circulation needs a boost. One of the biggest benefits of vitamin E is that it helps keep your blood vessels flexible and open, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach your leg muscles more efficiently. That's why older adults who start getting more vitamin E in their diet often notice that their legs feel lighter, warmer, and more responsive. They don't tire out as quickly, and some even find that they can walk longer distances without needing to stop and rest. So where can you get more vitamin E? Nuts, seeds, and avocados are all great sources, but here's the easiest way to get your daily dose: 1 tablespoon of wheat germ oil. This simple habit provides a rich source of vitamin E, helping to keep your legs energized and full of life. Just a small daily addition can make a big difference in how your legs feel and function. Many older adults who increase their vitamin E intake say they feel more steady on their feet, experience less swelling in their legs, and even notice that their skin looks healthier. That's because vitamin E not only improves circulation, but also helps reduce inflammation and protect the cells in your body from damage. If you've ever felt like your legs aren't as strong or energetic as they should be, vitamin E could be the key to turning things around. And if you're still here with me, type 6 in the comments to let me know you're finding this information helpful. Final thoughts. Now that we've gone through the 6 essential vitamins that help keep your legs strong, steady, and full of life, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. The strength of your legs isn't just about exercise. It's about giving your body the right nutrients so your muscles, bones, and circulation all work together to support you. Vitamin D ensures your muscles and bones stay strong, while vitamin B12 helps keep your nervous system functioning so you don't experience weakness or tingling. Vitamin C boosts collagen production and reduces inflammation, keeping your joints flexible and pain-free. Vitamin K2 makes sure calcium gets to your bones where it belongs, preventing stiffness and keeping your posture strong. Magnesium helps fight muscle fatigue and cramps, keeping your legs relaxed and energized. And finally, vitamin E improves circulation, ensuring your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay powerful for years to come. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's a spoonful of cod liver oil, a sprinkle of nutritional yeast, a boost of acerola cherry powder, a serving of grass-fed butter, a handful of pumpkin seeds, or a tablespoon of wheat germ oil, small changes can make a massive difference in how your legs feel and function. The best part? Many people who start focusing on these essential nutrients notice improvements in just a few weeks. Stronger steps, better endurance, fewer aches and pains. When you give your body what it needs, it rewards you with vitality and strength that lasts. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.